We will see stock overview, stock types, documents at goods receipt, effects of goods receipt. Stock overview we can see using transaction code MMBE. Let us go to transaction code MMBE. And give the material and give the plant. What is the stock available we can see. Here we can see that unrestricted stock 100 available, on order stock 200. There is no blocked stock. So let us pull this block to here. Let us keep block stock. Let us keep this transaction as it is, and we'll open another session and we will understand stock overview. We've seen it. How much stock we have? Company code level 100 each available. Base unit of measure is each. Plant 01 100 each available. Storage location SL01 100 each available. Okay. So 100 each available. On order 200 each available. Blocked nothing is available. Quality inspection nothing is available. These block unrestricted use, quality inspection stock, blocked stock are called as stock types. Let us go and see what is this. What are stock types? And while displaying the stock overview, we have display version. I'll let you know what is display version. Stock types. You can have stock types, 3 stock types. Unrestricted use stock, no usage restrictions. That means that if stock is available in unrestricted 100, these can be used for different requirements. Okay, we can use it from this stores. 100 each available. 200 on order stock available. Blocked we don't have. Quality inspection type we don't have. Now next, what is quality inspection? Available from an MRP perspective, but no withdrawals are possible for consumption. That means quality inspection stock available in the stores cannot be used for consumption, but for MRP perspective, it is available. Blocked stock. Not usually available for MRP perspective and no withdrawals possible for consumption. So which means that we can use the stock available in unrestricted use. Quality inspection, after quality inspection is done, we can do the transfer posting from quality inspection to unrestricted stock, and we can use it. Blocked stock also, we can transfer from blocked stock to unrestricted use stock. We can use them. These transfer postings I'll let you know in subsequent videos. Now we'll open another session. Let us do a goods receipt. What is the transaction for goods receipt? MIGO. Here what I'll do, I'll put in goods receipt, purchase order. I'll set the purchase order for M100. M100 for material 100. How many purchase orders we have? We can see. Can you see? 100 each available. For this, double click this. Here, if you can see distribute quantity, click on this. I'll put 60 here, unrestricted, 10 here in quality inspection, and 30 in blocked stock. Scroll down, storage location SL01, item OK, and next line quality inspection SL01, item OK, and next line blocked stock, item OK. So if you look at the quantities, that 60 pieces in unrestricted stock, 60 and 10 each in quality inspection, blocked stock 30 each. Now check the goods receipt. For the first line item, it says deficit of 40 each. For the second line item, it shows 30 each deficit. But it's fine, it is a warning message. Now let us post the document. Before posting the document, let me show you how much stock is available for M100 in plant. Counting one. How much stock is available? 100 stock available. Now let us go and post this document. Then unrestricted, it will become 160. Blocked, it will be store quality inspection, it will become 10 each. Blocked stock, it will be 30. Say post the document. Document is posted. Let us display this document. From here itself, we can go to stock overview, or you can do refresh. Let me go to another session. I'll show you how to go from there. Can you see refresh? Click on this. It will become unrestricted becomes 160, 10 in inspection, 13 block stock. Block stock 30 block stock. On order how much? On order it will be 100. Can you understand? Now this is what it is. Stock types. Okay. Now document set goods receipt. Here we came here, no? From material document itself we can go. From material document itself we can go branch to stock overview. Go to material. Let us wait. Here. Can you see in where tab? You can click on the stock overview icon. Okay. Click this. It will open another session and it will show the 160 in unrestricted use, quality inspection 10, on order 100, blocked 30. Okay. Now close this. Now what are the documents at goods receipt? When you post the goods receipt, two documents are generated. One is material document, second is accounting document. If a material is valuated in the valuation area, that is plant PL01, an accounting document is generated. Let me show you that. How to show that? Go here, click on header. This is header and doc info. Click on FI documents. Double click this. Can you see? 6. Okay. One is BSX. I'll put this in change layout. Transaction keys I've already explained in account determination. Click this. Transaction. Can you see BSX? For first 60 pieces, spares account, GRIR clearing account and freight clearing account. Next for 10 each, BSX debit, GRIR clearing account credit and freight clearing account credit. Now another for 30 pieces, this is the BSX and WRX is 216 and freight clearing account 30. Now we'll save this layout. You can save this layout, save layout, so that we can see the transaction keys. So we'll put it as MIGO layout. Layout, user specific, default. Okay. For user specific, no need to put this. Let us put like that. Okay. Next time, if I invoke into the screen, it always shows the same layout. Okay. The layout will be applied. Okay, what is next? We'll see. Okay. Effects of goods receipt. What are the effects of goods receipt? PO history is updated. Update PO and PO history. Let me go to the each one. I will demonstrate. This I have demonstrated in purchase order video. You can see there also. In MIGO, I have shown that. In MIGO video, I have shown that. You can refer to my videos related to MIGO transaction. Okay. Can you see purchase order data? This we are in material document. Purchase order, double click this. It will go to purchase order. What happens? This is item overview. Sorry, this is header. This is item overview. This is item detail. Collapse the header. We can see purchase order history. Can you see? 3 lines, items. This is for freight. This is for the material. Okay. We can see that material document is purchase order history. Material document is updated. PO history is updated. PO is update P1 PO history. If you go to delivery, can you see? If you see delivery completion, because we have ordered 100 each and we received 100 each. That's why delivery completed indicator is set. Where it is set, I'll show you. In which item? If you go to material document, back, scroll to the item 30. Can you see delivery completion indicator is set in the third line item? Can you see? In the PO it is set, but in material document, at which line item it is set? It is set on the third line item. Third line item for 30 block. Okay. Purchase order history is updated. Update stock and value. Now we will go to material master. From here, double click the material master, material short text. Go to accounting one. How much stock is there now? 200. Earlier 100 was there. We have posted another 100. So it became 200. Okay. That is updated. And what is next? Accounting document, material document, you have seen it. Update stock and consumption accounts. In case of consumable materials, it will happen. Creation of an inspection lot to trigger quality inspection. If material is subject to quality inspection, we have to maintain quality QM module related settings in the materials master. Then the QM inspection lot will be triggered. That I'll explain you when I'm discussing with the QM module integration. Now, if there is a warehouse management, the transfer requirement will be generated. This I'll explain you when I'm working with warehouse management. PR slip. PR slip is also generated. But you have to choose here. PR slip we are not selected, but it will happen. That I'll show you in another videos. Okay. Now notification to goods receipt. This we can set up. Whenever there is a goods receipt, buyer will get notified with goods receipt email. That we can set up. That I'll show you when I'm working with message determination for goods receipt. With this, we conclude the stock types, valuation and effects of goods receipt, documents at goods receipt and effects of goods receipt.